Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 10 ways to be more confident. Confidence is a crucial component of success in any aspect of life, whether it's in your personal or professional relationships. Unfortunately, confidence is something that many people struggle with, but don't worry, because in this video, we'll be sharing some tips and strategies to help you build your confidence and become more self-assured. So, let's get started. Know your strengths. The first step to building confidence is to recognize your strengths. Take some time to think about what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Once you have identified your strengths, make an effort to use them as much as possible. This will help you feel more capable and confident in your abilities. Dress confidently. Your appearance can have a significant impact on your confidence levels. When you dress well, you feel good about yourself, and others are more likely to take you seriously. So, make an effort to dress in a way that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Practice positive self-talk. The way you talk to yourself can have a significant impact on your confidence levels. Practice positive self-talk by replacing negative thoughts with positive ones. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I'm not good enough," replace that thought with, "I am capable and talented." Set realistic goals. Setting goals and working towards them can be an excellent way to build confidence. However, it's essential to set realistic goals that are achievable. When you reach your goals, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and pride, which can boost your confidence levels. Face your fears. Fear can be a significant barrier to confidence. It's essential to identify what you're afraid of and work towards overcoming those fears. Whether it's speaking in public or trying something new, facing your fears can help you build confidence and grow as a person. Take care of your body. Taking care of your body can have a significant impact on your confidence levels. Make an effort to eat a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. When you feel good physically, you'll feel better emotionally and mentally as well. Practice assertiveness. Assertiveness is the ability to express your thoughts and feelings in a clear and confident way. Practicing assertiveness can help you feel more confident in your communication skills and your ability to advocate for yourself. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your confidence levels. Make an effort to spend time with people who uplift and support you. Avoid people who bring you down or make you feel insecure. Celebrate your successes. When you achieve something, no matter how small, take the time to celebrate your success. Acknowledge your hard work and give yourself credit for your accomplishments. Celebrating your successes can help you build confidence and motivate you to keep working towards your goals. Continue to learn and grow. Finally, the last way to be more confident is to continue to learn and grow. Take courses, attend seminars, and read books to expand your knowledge and skills. When you learn new things and challenge yourself, you'll feel more confident in your abilities and more prepared to face new challenges. So, those are our top 10 ways to be more confident. Remember, building confidence is a process, and it takes time and effort. But with consistent practice, you can become more self-assured and confident in yourself and your abilities. We hope you found these tips helpful, and if you have any other tips or strategies for building confidence, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.